Hey, to install SIM card in the POCO F6 Pro, first of all, you will have to take off your silicone case of your phone and you have to locate this SIM slot at the bottom of the phone. Of course, you will have to prepare this SIM tool so you are able to input it just right here. And now when it is inside, you will have to gently press on it until this SIM slot pops up. Now we have to remove this SIM tool and grab SIM slot with our fingernails. Then we are able to input two SIM cards. Take a look. First and the second. I'm gonna input this SIM card into first slot. And we have to put it in this position. Take a look. Then when it's inside, we have to press on it. And now as you can see, it's completely flat. It's integrated with this slot. So now to put it back, we have to just put it in this position. There we go. Take a look. Now just press on it gently and the SIM card should be inside. And it is inside. Now I can input my PIN code. I just forgot about the PIN code. Maybe it was like this. Yeah, it was this one. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.